Hello, this is Mr. Lucky down at Curie Beach Pier. A little nippy today, so not too many people fishing. And we got a couple of jokes to tell. It's beautiful out here today. It's just a little chilly and a little windy, so I'm not sure how the audio's doing, but it's nice. I always like the view looking down the pylons of a pier, watching the ocean crash. Can you imagine surfing right through there without hitting anything until it fell? Here's another set of them. Get birds up there. A great place for on the roof, like a beachfront condo. Here's the beach going this way. Come back around. Here's the beach going this way. Got one lone person out there walking. That's it. I guess I'll walk this way. We come back and see the pier the other way. And then we'll get around to the joke. And I guess like all of the YouTube channels, I got to ask if you would, please subscribe and hit the like button. It would greatly be appreciated. And I still hold that if you leave me a comment and a name that you'd like a joke dedicated to, we'll put it on YouTube. You dedicate the joke to whoever you want, yourself or anybody else. Well, these jokes are left over from when I was in the motorcycle business for 17 years. I bought and sold basic antique motorcycles, specialized in old Triumphs from the 50s, 60s, and 70s. Would buy them up, patch them up, turn around and resell them. Enjoyed that business until the 2008 economy crash. But the standard joke for Triumphs was that their electronics were made by Lucas Electronics. Now, if anybody knows about Lucas Electronics, they were known as the Prince of Darkness for a reason, because they hardly ever worked. Even when they were brand new, they hardly ever worked. First joke, which has a lot of truth to it, is about the Zener diode. Zener diode was an odd little thing. As far as I know, only British motorcycles had them, only Triumphs. I think some BSAs had them too. What they were was a voltage regulator, a rudimentary voltage regulator. What it was supposed to do was convert excess electricity into heat. And it was a little copper button. I don't know what was inside it, but it had like aluminum cooling. It was usually right up there at the front of the motorcycle to cool it. And so, as I say, the designated purpose, was to convert excess electricity into heat. But the secondary, or the hidden purpose was you would convert Triumph riders into Honda riders. And that it did quite well. Walk up this way and maybe I got another joke. Lone lifeguard stand out here. They've taken all the other ones up. I don't know why they left that one. Here's the pier again. It's getting rather cold out here. There's the pier house, which is boarded up and closed up. It had a sign saying it wasn't open. It could be just the weather. I think they opened definitely for the weekend. This pier was 4 people fishing and the weekend. That's a nice scenic view of the ocean and the beachfront. I will walk up this way a while. Back another day and walk out on the pier. Apparently people can walk out on the pier even though it says it's closed. So we'll give that a try another day. We're going to save our other motorcycle joke for a day that we can walk out on the pier. That ought to be it. Okay, Mr. Lucky, everybody have a great day. Merry Christmas.